Install Contact Us button on your Facebook page. This video is applicable for Softinn Gold and Silver plan subscribers. Check out this video to find out how to install booking engine to your Facebook page. Imagine that this is your homestay Facebook page. Click Add a button. In this page, you will need to paste your listing page URL from Let's Go Holiday website. Now go to the Let's Go Holiday website. Insert your listing name. Here, this is your listing page. Next, copy your listing URL. Paste the listing URL that you have copied here. Next, click the Save button. You have now successfully added Contact Us button. You may click Test button to test Contact Us button. Then you will be redirected to your listing page on Let's Go Holiday. Your Facebook followers now could click the button to visit your listing page and make a booking directly with you. Guests also will be able to contact you from your listing page. Let's start adding Contact Us button now to your Facebook page and start receiving direct bookings.
Thank you for watching. I'm Desmond and I'm from the product department. My role is to improve and also maintain the product of Softinn, such as the extranet and also PMS. If you find this video useful, do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.